Looking for a PC case fan that delivers solid cooling without breaking the bank? The CF-08LB 80mm fan promises just that: reliable airflow, quiet operation, and a perfect fit for standard cases. If you want to boost your system's ventilation and extend hardware life, this fan is worth a close look. I recently upgraded my PC with the CF-08LB, and it's been a straightforward win. The fan measures 80mm by 80mm by 25mm, fitting snugly into my case's mounting spot with no hassle. What really stands out are the special high-profile fan blades designed to push more air through, which noticeably improved my system's cooling. Plus, it includes both 3-pin and 4-pin connectors, so compatibility isn't an issue. Installation was a breeze. It even came with mounting screws, so I didn't need to hunt for extras. The fan arrived the very next day after I ordered it, making the whole experience smooth from start to finish. What makes the CF-08LB truly valuable is its long lifespan. Designed to last up to 100,000 hours, it's built for durability and consistent performance. This means fewer replacements and less downtime for your PC. Despite its high reliability and performance, it remains an economical solution, offering great value for anyone wanting to upgrade their system's ventilation without spending much. If you're ready to improve your PC's airflow and enjoy a hassle-free installation, the CF-08LB is a smart choice. Try it when you're ready to experience dependable cooling that keeps your system running cooler and quieter.